Hey crafty people, this is a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. And before I get started, I want to say, for those of you who don't know me, I recently had hand surgery. I created these cards while I was in a massive great deal of pain. So they're rather simple, but super fun. All right, I'm going to start with this one. So this is a darling collection from Hunky Dory. I think it's called Pampered Pets. And I wanted to create these cards with, and make them look like a floating image with an acetate background. So, obviously it comes, the collection comes with this, and then Sending Poodles of Love down there at the bottom. I did do a die cut up at the top, trim and pearls around the center, and the same across the bottom. So that's the card. And then when you turn it around, in order for that acetate to show all the way through, you have to cut this part of your easel. And I know I'm going to have people that are going to ask if I will show how to do this. But to me, this is so simple that it was just not possible for me to do a tutorial on this with my hand the way it was. So, here is the next one. This one is similar. It has that really cute pink poodle. This one says, "Pamper yourself. It's your special day." And I did some pretty gold die cuts around the edge, and I got some gold corrugated board back there. And then it pops up like that. So that's card number 2. This collection was absolutely beyond precious, and I'm anxious actually to continue to work with it now that my hand is, I have a cast on it, but I'm still able to do more now than I was when I created these. So here is another, and this one pops up with that pretty kind of like a filigree type background. This one would be for any occasion. Really, really cute, cute, cute stuff. Okay, look at this one. So cute. And this one pops up like that, and it just says bark. And again, it's like the others, but adorable. I love it. I'm going to put a little teeny drop of glue on this right now while I am doing this, because if I don't, I will forget. All right, I think I have one more easel card in this batch. So there's a cute little dog, obviously, with his birthday party hat on. So this would be a birthday card, and pops up like that. And you can write your sentiment here. Just so simple to create when you've got all the elements and you just kind of got to put them together. All you have to do with your creativity is put them together. Okay, so then I got this little cutie, another birthday dog. This is wishing you a happy birthday. And these are just very simple. Opens up like that. And then I have a red envelope for that one. This one's super simple. I'm not even going to take this one out because there's nothing on the inside of the card. So that's the front of the card, and it's a single fold card. And it says "Sent with Love" with a matching red envelope. All right, then we've got this one. I'm telling you guys, and Hunky Dory has so many different collections in this sort of style where you just punch out everything and you just don't have to be super, super creative. You know, all the elements are there and ready for you. So this one, you left a paw print on my heart. And it opens like that. You write your message here. I left this paper like this because I wanted it to show through. I didn't want the blank paper to show through. So then I got this one. Cute little Scotty dog holding a bone. It says bad to the bone. This paper and all the paper like this love paper, that stuff I had in my stash. I guess I should have pointed that out. But all the little doggies are and then that's from the collection. And there is this one, real cute little dog, and he's got a rose in his mouth, and when you open him up, you put your message there. And if you wanted to write more, you could do it on that side. And then last but not least, there is this one, To a Fabulous Friend. So cute. So I am going to actually write a note to Linda, who came and helped me while I was here, and thank her and put the money that I owe her in there. So I need to do this video so I could show you this this card. Super cute. The paper in the background is my paper from my stash. This, the sentiment, these little banner strips at the top and the bottom, those are from the collection. So I'm serious, guys. If you think these are cute, and they have all kinds of like a fairy collection, dragon collections, underwater collections, in this type of style where it's so super easy to create with them. So, you know, if you want to create a card, but you don't feel like you're super creative, awesome way. So check out the links in the description box down below. Check out ASC Supplies. She is an amazing store. I am so incredibly blessed and lucky to be on her design team. So thanks for watching, and there's links to the Facebook groups. Check everything out. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.